how to buy Mentat token. So this token came under the symbol of SPICE. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral code, simply as goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits shared in my description. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on Pump Fund. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. This token address is under this Solana network. Open your fund money for that. Now click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallets. Click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. And here we'll be able to see how much you receive. Now that's select provider, for example, Twitter. And make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap and you will be able to relax it to generate the provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face an issue, go back to this page with the slip from here or customer, because the most of issues came from the slip. And after that, you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy SPICE token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.